In front of me is REALME P3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Now you need to click on click. You need to click on this plus at the bottom left corner, and firstly, to add an audio file, select Files. Then tap on audio at the top. Use one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. To add your file, click on it. To add a video one, choose Gallery section instead. Scroll and click on your video here. If you can't find it here, select Folders, look for it, and when you find it, tap on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!